Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit Android 12 version special for Volvo S60 V60. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, you can check this 360 reserve camera view and cables. This is canvas and cable. A special head unit. Okay, let me show the cable it is first. Okay, let me show the 360 view camera. Okay, you can check this hose. Also, and those fit the cameras. Okay, there this connection connect to the back of head unit. There full connection for cameras. Long cable, you can check there 1, 2, 3, 4 cable, long cable, and camera. There are 4 cameras. You can check. Okay, and this cable canvas code Volvo and special harness. This AUX input left and right. This connect our back of head unit. There connections you can check. And factory connector, plug and play. Okay. And this video out USB, this GPS antenna, this is 4G Wi-Fi antenna, and camera input, this camera input, and AUX left and right, and video input. There are 2 USB cable, and external microphone connect back of head unit. Okay, this audio subwoofer, RC type, and audio output left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the back of head unit. You can check there. This is 4G SIM card slot, and this is power fuse and audio connections, GPS, 4G radio antenna. Okay, you can check back. Let me connect the power. Connect power cable on back. Okay, head unit will be start up. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, this is volume button, this back button, home button, this mute button, and very fast response. Change the color, and all apps here. It's built in the Auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, this is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is built in Google Maps and Play Store. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it, and the settings. Let me check the button. You can check the Android variant, Android 12 voltage, Android 12 variant Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi and support SIM card. There, SIM card slot. You can put the SIM card. But device, Android 12 variant and DDR 8 GB, 128 GB storage. Okay. And display SIM style there, total 8 SIM style. This button lights, you can change the button lights. This will change, and let me choose the red. Key lights color. Okay. And built-in instructions, but it shows do not watch video. You need to set it in the settings. Find the device and put the password. Others, set the brake with 0 and save. The head unit will be reboot the system and save the settings. Button lights were on. Okay, and you can check. When you change it will show the user instructions. Okay, and you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com to contact us. Okay, and built in the radio, 360 view, DSP amplifier. This and let me check the settings. Show the memory 8 GB, storage total 128 GB, and about device you can check the Android warning, Android 12 voltage. Okay, that's all. Thank you.